Hello everyone and welcome back to another stream. Alright, so today we're going to be preparing some meal. Let me share with you guys what we do before we start working out. So these are the roast breadfruit that I'm gonna be frying. Alright, so this freeze up, so it's all good though. We're gonna put some oil in this pot right here. I don't normally cook it high, but I'm frying some breadfruit, so we're gonna use a little today. You know? Give me a sec. I'm gonna set up the chat real quick. Alright, so kick it off like this. What are you cooking? Alright, so we're gonna be frying some leftover roast breadfruit. Hey Caroline, hey, what's up? Hope you're having a great day. Alright, so we're just kicking off our day, you know. Gonna fry some breadfruit. Fry some roast breadfruit. We're gonna add some salt to it right now. So we wanna don't want to put too much salt though. It should be good. Should be alright. How about you, Caroline? How's your day going so far? Alright, so we're gonna mix up this salt that we had. Put a little bit more. Alright, so we're gonna fry these and trust me, eat this with some avocado, man. Nothing is nicer. Alright, so we got some rain. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain on the roof in the background here. Alright, so oil is already hot, so we're gonna add the breadfruit now. Blue Mountain Kitchen. Yeah, welcome. What's up? So we got a plant in here. Right after we finish frying the roast breadfruit, we're gonna fry the plantain. Oh, you're here roasting breadfruit and wood fire and watching. Oh, that's it right there, man. If it wasn't for the rain, I would be cooking outside, to be honest. But crazy rain today. Oh, greets from Hamburg, Germany. All right, what's up? Vadim Petrov. Yo. Where are you from? From Jamaica. Planting to get some early morning, some protein and energy in the morning. Best way to kickstart my day. Which parish are you in? St. Catherine, man. Alright, we're gonna let these soak some more. Alright, so we got bodybuilding stream later on, so most of you guys want to know what we eat before we work out, so it's a little sneak peek. We only got one avocado today to work with, so it's all good. Okay. What am I cooking? I'm cooking. We're just frying some roast breadfruit. We're doing something simple today. Frying some roast breadfruit, some plantain, and later on we're gonna eat them with some avocado. Gonna be steaming some rice. I already got some leftover brown stew chicken on the fridge, so. Uzbekistan in the building. This is some Jamaican style food here, man. There he is. Yo. Jamaican style food. Awesome. Hi from Ukraine. Okay. Oh yeah. Yes, Patrick. It's actually afternoon, but this is my breakfast right here. Looking after breakfast, is it? I'm in Jamaica, man. I don't know. I never eat any Ukrainian or Russian meal. Cool, Patrick. See, you don't know. Bro, this whenever I'm frying on breadfruit, it's always take a lot of oil. Always taking a lot of coconut oil, man. Are you in Jamaica? Are you Jamaican? Yeah, yeah. Born Jamaican, man. Born pro Jamaican. Ivanov, I have no idea of I don't know any Ukrainian meal. You know? But hopefully one day, man. Hopefully one day we can try it out. I would love to try it out one day, man. For real. Hello, welcome. Smash that thumbs up button. All right, so this is This is one fried breadfruit here. Some plan we're gonna fry as soon as we finish the breadfruit. Dominic, how are you? How are you? I'm doing great, man. How about you? I've had some more coconut oil in this. I've just got me Wes. Yo, what up, what up, what up? Can't wait to try these breadfruit with the avocado. Korea. People here from Korea. Let's go. So what we're working with here. Alright, I can't wait to try this out, man. Can't wait to try these out. Got a few breadfruit here ready. Fried and ready, man. This thing take a lot of coconut oil. That's why I do this like every now and then. It's not a everyday thing. Some avocado here working with. What time is it in Jamaica? It's 1:22 p.m. right now. Wow, this. So the rust breadfruit is off turn. What we call it turn before it get ripe. So it's delicious, man. Phenomenal, man. Mm. Hello and welcome. Would you like to come to Belarus? You see what? I mean, I hear about that country, man, but I don't really know. I don't really know it well, though. I have to research that country.